Right, we're going to make some food and we're just going to put it together. And no, I don't wash my lettuce. I don't. I know. Is it gross? Nah. Not for me. Looks like a gross bag anyway. You know what I'm like, guys. Right, so we're just going to guess this. We're going to get some lettuce. So I've got 2 pieces of salmon. So I'm just going to get 2 pieces of lettuce, and I hope that, oh my god, also I was just scrolling through Facebook videos because for some reason Facebook videos are just hilarious. Oh, this is not going to work because it's not going to come. Anyway, is it the Dutchman, I don't know what I'm doing here, the Dutchman burgers. I'm going to have this, ready to eat. It says ready to eat. What is it? Hot chili smoked salmon. The Flying Dutchman burgers. Have you guys seen it? I'm just going to put that on here for a minute because I need to take off the skin because I don't like that. So let's put that on there because we can give that to the animals. The Flying Dutchman burger. So it's like, oh god, here they are. Ginger Ninja. It's onion, burger, cheese, onion. Oh my god, it looks insane. Right, let's put them in there. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to wrap them. Hold up. I need to wipe my hands. I don't know if that's going to be able to do, but we'll try. Sweet chili. Sweet chili. Oh no. What the hell? Do you know what? I just cannot stop saying that. And I don't know. I know it's come from TikTok. I didn't even get it from TikTok, if I'm honest. I got it from... Did I? Or did I get it from... I think I got it from Melly. She doesn't say it now. Now it's stuck in my head. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, then let's just... what am I even doing? Like, I don't even think I can roll that. So I'm just going to have to eat that. Like that. Like, as in like a little sandwich. Do you know what I mean? It is what it is, guys. And then I've got some leftover, like, why can't I get my words out? Stir fry. And I'm just going to eat it cold. I just put that on the plate like that. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm literally gutted. I ran out of sweet chili. I have got sweet chili jam in here. Anyway. What is going on? That's not good, is it? Anyway, that is my dinner for tonight.